Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, back with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You're going to be happy to know there is not an HJC helmet in this helmet garage. In here we have the limited edition Martinator Alpinestars SuperTech R10 helmet. Obviously world champion MotoGP from 2024. Kick-ass graphic. Unfortunately, he's got himself all busted up now in preseason testing on that Aprilia. But this is a good looking graphic. Super limited production. A lot of value adds with this one. The retail price as of the time we're shooting this video is $13.49. Comes with the helmet, both a clear and a dark smoke screen. Obviously dark smoke is installed for effect now. The clear is in the shield sock. That's pretty cool. If you don't like the full-size GP style spoiler, they include a smaller version. It's obviously all badged up and ready to rock. Also a protective sleeve for that as well. Comes with a chin curtain. Comes with a pin lock, anti-fog lens that can be installed in either the clear or the dark smoke shield. And your first pack of race tear-offs. Great looking graphic. There's a lot of like metal flake in that blue paint. It just looks awesome. Alpinestars, these helmets have been a home run. Super popular. The biggest problem we've had with them is an absolute lack of inventory. If you like this helmet, get yours before they're gone.